Okay, hello everyone. Myself Rishabh Singh, and today we have Pawan, and who got placed. So he will going to be our guest for today meeting. So Pawan, please tell a little bit introduction about yourself.
Hi, Rishabh. Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing fine. Yeah, this is Pawan. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Uh, Basically, coming to my educational background, I completed my BTech in the stream of electrical in 2016. Later, I done my PGDM in Operation Management from Wellinkar Institute, Mumbai. I have a total of 3 years of experience. For the first year, I worked as project engineer, and that on that I have 2 years of experience as automation engineer. Currently, I have placed as ML engineer in Namaste Credit. Yeah, that's
Okay, and introduction about like where you got placed.
it's Namaste Credit and it's a company based out of Bangalore. They usually work on the underwriting for a credit, like assessing the risk for a credit application. They work on the eKYC approval of the application. They are they're more into deep learning and AI. Yeah. I will be working as an ML engineer in the R&D department.
Can you speak a little bit loud because we are
Yeah, okay. Okay.
okay. What about your job role?
Yeah, I will be working as an ML engineer. We have to work on the product like eKYC application. Like eKYC, I think you know.
Okay, and how many interview have you taken for this job?
Actually, after completing my course, this is my first interview, and I got this.
Okay, so it was your first interview and
Yes,
you got placed.
yes, yes, yes.
That's amazing. And when you got placed, like how many month or day back?
Hmm? Can you please repeat?
Hello?
Yeah, can you please repeat?
Uh, when you got placed, like how many months back or how many days?
Yeah, I got placed in last week. I started working on 23rd of this month.
Okay. Okay. And what is the process like? How you actually select the company that you are going to apply? Hello?
We can work on different projects, and we can have a handful of work. We can learn. So I thought it would give me better opportunity learning also. So I selected for that and I applied to Naukri. Luckily, I got a call back. And I contacted.
Your voice is a little bit disturbing. I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. You are audible now. So what we are discussing. Yeah, how you actually selected the company?
Actually, I applied for this company through Naukri.
Mhm.
When going to the, I have read, went through this company's profile. Uh, just, I have went through this profile. It's basically a startup. It was established in 2014.
Mhm.
And I thought it was established in 2014. I
Mhm.
thought we can develop a data knowledge while working in a product system. Then it's in a startup. We can get a handful of work. We can gain a more amount of knowledge. So I thought it would suit me best. So I applied for it, and luckily I got a call back. Like a minute ago.
Yeah, great.
I
And what? Yeah, yeah.
no, no, continue.
Okay, so what is your educational background? What you did?
Like educational background.
Yeah.
Yeah, I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics in 2016. Later on that, I have completed my PGDM in Operations Management from the Linker Institute, Mumbai. I did it in distance, so working.
Okay, interesting. So you are already from a technical background.
Yeah, core value.
So it was CS.
No, it's electrical, triple E,
Really?
triple E, triple E.
Okay, okay. And any professional background for that before that?
Yeah, actually, I have 3 years of experience. For
Hmm.
1 year, I worked as a project engineer in solar installations, basically core job. Later on that, I moved to automation field. I worked as a junior automation engineer. Basically, it's industrial automation. We use it to automate machinery. And I got some hands-on experience with Python and SQL during that. Later on that, I have done training in 360 and
Okay, okay. So earlier you have already some experience in Python and SQL.
basically, and not a lot of experience, but I had some hands-on. We done some
So,
scripting on Python.
hmm, interesting. So is it easy process for you data science or still same thing?
I cannot. Yeah, basically, I followed the pattern. Like I never missed the classes. I always tried to go deep into the topics when that was discussed in the classes. So I thought it was a bit easy for me. Just
Oh,
I want.
so it's same for everyone
Yeah,
because the concept are totally different. But it's easy process to learn those things.
I feel consistent.
And how did you decided to switch the career from that to data science?
Like, actually, from the beginning, I was more interested towards programming, but I thought of going entering into core field. But I have an interest towards the programming. So I found this data science I have a more of programming and also we can apply our analytical skills and everything. I think it will suit me best. So I thought of enrolling into this course. Like yeah, after joining it, on voice, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. After enrolling it, I found it.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay. And before applying the job, like how did you prepare for it?
Uh, like after I
And
completed my
what are yeah, continue.
basically from the beginning, I started to deep dive into every concept that was discussed in the class. Like, in the first class, my trainer is Nitin Mishra, sir. I actually said you have to deep dive into every topic that I discussed in the class to gain more knowledge. From the beginning, I did that. Yeah, after completion of the course, I did some 3 courses in cognitive class there that is provided by IBM. It helped me as a revision for whole classes. And I did a lot of practice with all the assignments and modules that are provided in our AS Drive. That helped me a lot while preparing. Yeah, I learned more through assignments. And it's like different. I have faced some issues. Yeah, that is where I learned.
So basically, the assignment process is
Yeah,
responsible
found it
for
is.
all
Yes.
daily
For field,
classes and the assignments on time.
yeah, like after listening to the classes, we can directly work on it. No, we can gain a lot of hands-on experience. I found it very useful.
And did you gone through any other medium for preparation?
Yeah, actually, for deep diving into some topics, I have referred YouTube, I have referred YouTube, and I found some courses in cognitive class there at AI. These are the free courses provided by IBM.
Mhm.
Those courses helped me as a revision for the actual course. Yeah, it helped. Moreover, everything is covered in our courses, no, and we have a lot of material, a lot of in AS.
So it's just for a revision cases which gone through that, and that is
Yeah.
also
Yeah. Basically, we have a lot of material in our YouTube channel in 360 days only. Yes, no, we can refer to that. I have referred many. Is everything okay?
Yeah. So whatever need to be prepared, all the things are also available here.
Yeah.
They can visit our YouTube channels and other
Yes,
things.
yes, yes. At that time, sir also is very good. About this.
And how long did it take to be confident that I am ready for the interview?
Actually, I enrolled for this course in last August ending. It took me nearly around 6 to 7 months to cope up with my work and to complete this course. Yeah. I think I got some knowledge after 6 months.
Means after completion of the course, 6 months you.
No. Actually, from the date of enrolling, I am saying after completion of
Mhm.
course, it took around me 1 month.
Okay, great. And is there any things that you want to tell that how to prepare things? After the completion of course, how someone approach to prepare?
Yes, yes. Can't get you. Your voice is big.
How? Am I audible?
Can you hear me, Rishabh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was asking that what should be the procedure to after the completion of course, how say people should be prepared?
Actually, I would like to suggest be thorough with all the basics, like in all the concepts. Do a lot of hands-on programming and try to do all the assignments and gain some deep knowledge in every concept that you are learning. Use some resources like we have many resources like Google, YouTube. You can refer any gain some thorough knowledge and deep knowledge in every concept that you are learning. But more hands-on experience will help you better and try to do some projects in every model like every algorithm. Yeah, that the projects also helped me a lot. In my interview, actually, our current project helped me a lot. I I have explained the interviewer about what is the project I am doing now and what is the approach that I am following. It impressed him much. Actually, it helped me a bit.
Yeah, because project will going to give you the
It have a
best
greater
environment.
impact, and I included many projects in my resume also. The interview went on this project, like how did I did this project, what is the approach that I follow. Yeah, it will meant more on this. It will help doing more projects with me.
So also interviewer are interested in projects, like how many projects you had did.
Like I have done a single project and each algorithm. I have uploaded it on GitHub also. And currently, I'm working as a life project given by the institute.
Hmm.
These projects will definitely help us.
And did you get any project from our 360 family?
Yeah. We got currently we are working on the project. I have not completed it yet. We got a project like selecting a best insurance policy per company. Currently, we are working on that. This helped me a lot in the interview. I have explained more about this project.
And can you explain a little bit overview about projects which you had worked and working?
I have worked on that employee churn model and house price prediction models and detecting some fake.
I think there is power cut issue.
I research, can you hear me?
Yeah. Pawan, you were
I think
talking
it's
like,
power cut and we got disconnected.
okay, so is it now okay on
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Yeah, so we are talking about the project overview.
Yeah, I basically worked on every project, for each algorithm I use to do a project. I have worked on different projects like house price prediction, like fake news detection, and I have worked more on the NLP projects. Currently, I'm working on the selecting a best insurance policy for a company. We use it to approach, follow the approach like clustering in this. Basically, we are in the data collection part now. We have to do some analysis and then build some model. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's NLP process, NLP project, and you are now doing on the data collection and cleansing.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you get any internship? Like after that, you did any internship? Completion of the
No,
course.
I didn't got a chance to do anything. After completion, I got this.
I think after completion of
Yeah.
1 month, you got the job. That's the lucky thing.
Like, yeah. I want to say it
Not it's lucky.
basically, I used to get calls like from the recruiter, but they used to talk for experience like 2 or 3 years. Yeah, luckily this company selected me. They gave me a chance.
Yeah, great. And what additional help did 360 Digit?
Yeah, I think a lot. During while I was working on my assignments, there is a tutor to help me in the doubt clarifying session. No? I just use it to connect and clarify my doubts and get on with my work. There is no delay in getting support, any support. And after completion of my course, also I used to get support from with my work. Sharat sir helped me and clearing my task. Actually, you helped me clearing my task. Yeah. I was very happy with that. It gives us some confidence, yeah, we can do the work. Basically, we are not perfect. We are still in a learning stage. We can face some issues. This kind of support will help us a lot. Yeah, I was very happy.
Yeah.
Actually, I have referred two of my colleagues to join in this course, and I enrolled my brother also today in this course.
Okay. So it means you are referring also
Yeah,
people.
I have referred a lot of people.
And any extra skills required?
If we are thorough with what the skills that are taught in our course, it will be sufficient. I think. If we are good at Python, then we can. Good at Python, good at R. We can have, and we learn Tableau also. Yeah, these skills will be enough. We need to be perfect in this.
And almost all the things will be covered in here. Like if you want to learn SQL and Tableau or Python, extra classes are also going to be taken. R
Yeah.
classes are
Value
going.
added sections are also being provided. No, they help us. Yeah.
Any suggestions for new aspirants
Yeah.
who is in the learning process?
Yeah, I would like to suggest them that never give up, keep on learning, try to deep dive into all the topics that you are learning in the classes. And basically, apart from building these skills, building a portfolio also helps us better, like building a Naukri profile, LinkedIn profile, and a social profile. And building a nice resume. Generally, we will neglect building a resume. We will do all those things like developing the skills. We will give a lot of practice and neglect building a right resume. It gives the first impact to the recruiter. No, basically we should work on the building a resume, LinkedIn profile, not profile. Actually, 360, you helped a lot building that also. Yeah, do some
Yes,
hands-on projects.
these are the soft things, but we need to focus on those things also.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
LinkedIn
shouldn't
profile,
neglect this.
resume. Yeah, because
Those
it's
will
going
give
to
the first
present.
impression to the recruiter. No?
Yeah, same thing. So these are all the question I have. And one more question. There is a term mind map in our 360 digit MG
Yeah,
for our revisions and for overview.
yeah,
Is it helpful for you?
yeah. It actually helped a lot. Like, uh, we can basically get a overview of what we know, and we can generally revise also seeing the mind map. We can recollect the topic that we learned, or if any topic is missing, we can directly go into it. Just it gives a basic overview of what will be the course like and what are the topics we need to cover. It actually helps a lot. Nitin Mishra sir always used to refer to the mind map for 10 minutes daily. Yeah, it was a lot. He used to provide a lot of motivation during the classes also. Mind map, and we also have a book on this data science no, in our learning resources. It also actually helps a lot.
Yeah.
Everything
So,
collectively.
okay, so almost all of the question of mine is being finished, and let's see some questions from the live channel.
Okay.
Okay, so someone asking like, explain your real-time projects which you are doing in your.
Right.
Someone is asking that, explain your real-time projects.
Yeah, the real-time projects I worked on. Currently, I'm working on this project provided by Institute, no? And the projects I worked on house price prediction. And it's basically a simple linear regression model. I got the data set from Kaggle. Like, I can't say these are real-time projects. We have data sets available by some models. And I used to work on the employee churn prediction. It is also a regression model and classifiers. Basically, for every project, we need to follow the basic DM techniques, like understanding that, gaining the idea of business objective first, then collecting the data, which basically we have at our hand. And, like exploratory data analysis. We use it to follow the same pattern for every project. Yeah, if you follow the you can get. And we need to concentrate on the deployment part also. Actually, we will neglect up. We will build a model and we will neglect there. Just gaining a better knowledge about deployment, it helps a lot actually. The
Yeah,
first
yeah,
task they're
building
given is
model.
the first task they gave me is get to know about some knowledge about deployment. Yeah, I need to suggest.
So it was your first task.
Yeah. Do you know about deployment? I gained some knowledge on deployment. But I, yeah, I did that, and I have done a small project and I submitted them on the first day. Yeah, it's good. Actually, we have these classes on also on YouTube channel. No, we have.
Yeah, there are some videos for deployment also.
Yes. Actually, it helps. No, we have every resource at our hand.
Okay, let's wait a minute more for other questions.
Okay.
And someone asking like, how did you prepare throughout the course?
Like from the very beginning, I didn't miss any classes. I used to. I joined for the weekend batch. During the week, I used to prepare. I used to deep dive into every topic that are discussed in the class. So I followed the same pattern throughout the course, and at the end, I considered
Yeah, Pawan. Okay, so we are not getting any other question from the chat window, so we can wind up now.
Okay.
Thank you so much for giving time here.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you.